Hello, I'm Robert, a voluntary fact checker and helping you if you're scared of many things. And this is to add to my long blog post, which is about why you're completely safe from, there's no risk from what's happening in the US strikes in Iran. It's not going to spiral into a larger war, and I'm just going to explain that why there's no radiation hazard. That's the point in this short video. So they struck the Fordo, which is over 16 kilometers away from the nearest hamlet in a desert. This is a fenced off area, and the Iranian civilians can go nowhere near, and Russians have nothing to do with any of this. There's no Russian military presence in Iran whatsoever. And so to show why there's no risk to civilians, well, they bunker buster bombs. They were targeting deep underground. They dropped these huge bombs from 15 kilometers in the sky over and over again into that one spot very precisely. And that's all they did. That was their mission. And they were targeting nuclear fuel. And nuclear fuel, like plutonium is as an example here, and uranium is the same, then it's just as a fuel, before it's made into a bomb or made into a nuclear reactor, and before the chain reaction starts, then it's actually not very radioactive at all. The main thing that plutonium and uranium produce is alpha particles. And alpha particles can't get through paper, they can't get through plastic. So when the atomic scientists gave the Queen Elizabeth, when she was just not long after her coronation, they handed her a lump of plutonium in a plastic bag and invited her to feel how warm it was. And it was completely safe because the plastic bag protected her from alpha particles. And there's very little else by way of radiation, not enough that could harm you in any way from even a big lump of plutonium. And so what they are targeting there, so what else I've got now? Yeah, this is a video you can watch, and this is a Ukrainian, and she protects us. She's protecting the uranium there with her mask. It's to protect the uranium, and then she handles the uranium with plastic gloves to protect the uranium for the uranium fuel, to keep it very clean. And later in that video, she handles uranium fuel pellets for a nuclear reactor, already enriched enough for a nuclear reactor. And you can just harm it harmlessly. It's no harm to you, as long as you don't breathe it or eat it. So I think that's the main thing I need to say here. So that's all for that graphic. That's a really short graphic. And this is the facility they were struck there. So there's not very much to explain there. There's no radiation hazard whatsoever. And I will talk later about how Iran doesn't have nukes, but I don't want to get distracted with this and how it can't harm anyone with them. But I just want to explain a simple basic point. So that's it. I'll upload this and add it to my video. Look the article, the complete article, which will have all the embedded videos in it once the videos are done. Click on the link in the video description. And also contact details about our debunking group and everything. That's all in the blog post. I'll link in the video description.